Are you ready to take your vacation rental business to the next level? With Mashvisor's vacation rental software, you'll have all the tools you need to simplify management, optimize pricing, and attract more bookings. Let's dive into the features that make Mashvisor a game changer for short-term rental success. Tired of juggling multiple booking platforms? Our channel manager syncs availability, rates, and reservations across all platforms, ensuring you stay organized and avoid double bookings. Manage everything from one convenient place. Say goodbye to guesswork with Mashvisor's dynamic pricing tool. Powered by AI and real-time market data, it analyzes seasonality, market demand, and competitor trends to recommend optimal pricing. Stay competitive and maximize your revenue effortlessly. Stand out with your own bookable website. Offering a seamless booking experience will attract direct bookings, save on OTA fees, and build trust with guests. It's time to make your rentals truly yours. Manage all your bookings with ease using our intuitive reservation system. Keep track of availability, guest details, and payment statuses, all from one centralized dashboard. Stay connected with your guests effortlessly. Our unified inbox lets you manage communications from all platforms in one place, ensuring timely and professional responses. Lastly, save time and reduce stress with our automation tools. From daily operations to task assignments, Mashvisor simplifies your workflow so you can focus on delivering exceptional guest experiences. Ready to streamline your vacation rental business? Start your journey with Mashvisor today and discover how smart solutions can unlock your property's full potential. Sign up now and see the difference.